For work really early this morning, but I did take a couple of quick trades, and I just want to show them to you. I noticed that in looking at this is the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 15 minute. I noticed that price was coming down towards the top of the daily cloud. Again, this is a 4 hour chart, but I put the next higher time frame, which for me is a 1 day um, cloud EMAs. Or the EMA, the 9 EMA that would, or the EMA cloud that would correlate to the 1 day. So the very top of that cloud is the 5 EMA on the daily. So I figured when price came down to it, it'd get a little bounce off of it. So I put in a line there at it, and sure enough, it came down. It kind of put in a little bounce, and I went ahead and waited for a couple of higher lows on my 5 second chart. And when I got a couple of higher lows, I got in right about here. Actually, I waited for the second higher low. Right about here, it came up and it just stalled. And this is really the move I was looking for, this one right here. But I guess I was a little early. If I would have been maybe looking for the shakeout, there's the shakeout candle right there. And then it kind of popped. So anyway, I basically got out on a scratch on this one. So then I just waited for the next resistance, which would have been there's a couple of supports here with the 1 minute, but I figured that the 5 would be a good resistance on this one, since we did have a nice move up from the daily cloud. So I looked for a double top here against this bar on the 5, and I got it right here. I waited for the 5 second candles to change red after the second top, and I shorted right here, and I got out right down about down here. Not quite at target, but it was stalling, so I went ahead and got out here. And yeah, I got a couple small I got like a small, kind of a scratch, kind of a small win on the first one, and on the second one I got a little bit better. But overall it was kind of very early in the morning, so the price action is not too good, so that means I have to use more shares, because the ATR, the average true range of the candles, is pretty small. So in order to get something out of this, I had to put on a lot of shares. So I had, like about a third of my profits was wiped out in commissions. But anyway, yeah, so I made about $70 on those two, and I'm working my way over to getting this total up to 53,000. I'm about $250 more to go, and yeah, it's going to be kind of a slow grind to get up there, because I'm going to be trading extremely conservatively. I don't want to go negative in this account and start going backwards. So I'm just taking small, tiny little scalps, and trying to do it that way. So anyway, that's it for today.